So several years ago, we had a situation on the campus where one of the very large companies that we support had a large safety incident that happened during one of their meetings. It actually happened just after one of the meetings had gotten done and finished and the people had moved out of the room. What had happened was a projector that had been mounted into the ceiling fell out of the ceiling. It was a pretty major situation, as you can imagine, and it could have been a very serious situation if the individuals were still in the meeting at the time when it fell, because people were sitting right below the projector. So our client asked us to work together with the projector lift manufacturer, which we did. We got in contact with them and had a lot of back and forth with them about figuring out how to make sure that didn't happen again. And so we ended up coming up with a solution and devising a tactic with them to mount support straps on the projectors so that that situation, safety incident, wouldn't happen again. I think this really highlights a great example of how we're able to reach out and leverage our relationships. We have a lot of really great relationships across the industry in the audiovisual world that we're able to leverage and utilize when we need to. And in this case, we're able to reach out to the company, the projector lift manufacturer, and work together to devise a solution that was going to work for our clients to make sure they were safe.